What are some of the learnings in building TheySaid? I have been listening to Adam Robinson from retention.com, and he's sharing a lot of his learnings. What I found is like three things. We have built a product that break down the long onboarding surveys into incremental post surveys, one question survey along the customer journey. So what works then is that it does work in getting more responses in each response. And because we ask 10 to 12 times a year, we get ultimately 100 times more response. What doesn't work is if people who have done terrible surveys before, it's hard to recover from that just because people have the prepossession. A second thing that people feel like it doesn't work is like, we got too many responses. We don't have time to follow up with the customers. But if you don't follow up with the customer, then customer feel like you're not listening. So how do we create a closing the loop function that will solve that? Number three is like onboarding. Even though we think our product is pretty easy, people always overthink, oh, what questions should I ask here, and it takes too long. I set a course for my team to solve these three problems. We feel like, okay, what if we use AI to solve the three problems? And then we come up with this. Number one, we are sprinkling along the question to the customer in different channels. We always get objection where people say, we already use Pendo for pop-up. We already use Zendesk for CSAT. We'll be like, great, keep doing that. We're not going to replace the tool, but swap out the Pendo pop-up question with AI NPS, AI CSAT. So you're still getting the feedback along the customer journey, but don't change the habit of the team members. Problem number two is how do we make the onboarding super easy? And I set a requirement for my teams like, can I onboard TheySaid without using my keyboard? Just the mouse with less than 3 clicks. And I think with our new product, our team have succeeded that mission.